Hello friends, welcome to RSK-Code tutorial. I am your instructor Saurabh Srivastav. After Java 12 and 13, let us understand Java 14 and 15 features in this video. In March 2020, we got Java 14. Java 14 got following features. First is switch expression. In Java 14, switch expression became a standard feature, which was a preview feature in Java 12 and Java 13. It undergoes further refinement and became a standard feature after Java 14. Some helpful null pointer exceptions were added. This improved the information provided in null pointer exception messages. This make those messages more informative and helpful for developer. We can see one example for that. Here we are calling a business service .get map .get value. In our exception message, we get the detail value where the null is coming exactly. Next is some preview and experimental features were added in Java 14 like records. This is a first preview feature. It provides a more concise and readable way to declare classes that are mainly used for data storage. Next, we got pattern matching for instance of as a preview feature. This eliminates the need to cast to the target type after an instance of check. Next is text block got a second preview feature, which is a new kind of string literal for multi-line strings, improving the readability of code that involves multi-line strings. ZGC an experimental feature is added. It is an GC to achieve pause time of 10 milliseconds or less. Java 14 also got some incubator features like JPackage, which is a packaging tool to create a platform specific installer for a Java application. And we got foreign memory access API, which allows Java program to efficiently and securely access memory outside the Java heap. Some performance improvement we got in Java 14, like a new non-volatile mapped byte buffer is added. With a mapped byte buffer, now you can map a file into memory region to read and write it by regular memory access operations. Next, we got newer nodes, a kind of memory allocation for G1 garbage collector. It is available for Linux only. Next improvement is in management for parallel processing of tasks, which has been optimized, potentially leading to significant performance improvements. Java 15 is introduced in September 2020. First feature of Java 15 is text block. It is finally released for production, which was earlier a preview feature in earlier JDKs. It is a new kind of string literal for multi-line strings, improves the readability of code that involves multi-line strings. Some new method added in Java 15 like string.formatted, string.stripident, and string.translate escapes. And character sequence class got is empty method. Next is helpful null pointer exceptions, which was introduced in Java 14. This got enabled by default in Java 15 and in later Java versions. New garbage collector ZGC and Shenandoah. Java 15 made these two garbage collectors as production ready. This is done to fulfill the large memory and lower response time for modern applications. New preview features in Java 15 are added like pattern matching for instance of got a second preview, which enhances the instance of operator to simplify and streamline type checking code. Next is sealed classes. A new preview feature has been added to help to restrict inheritance of a class. Record features got a second preview in Java 15, whereas Foreign Memory Access API also got a second incubator feature. Some performance improvement in Java 15 has been added, like specialized implementation of methods like put if absent, compute if present, compute and merge in treemap class. This is added to improve the performance of these methods for treemap. In Java 15, it disabled and deprecated biased locking, which was used for data structures like vector, string buffer, or hash table. Java 15 introduced EDDSA, Edwards Curve Digital Signature Algorithm. This is used for Java cryptography architecture. This algorithm can be used in many crypto libraries like OpenSSL or Boring SSL. So friends, I hope you like this video. Please give your support to my channel. Please like, comment and click on subscribe button. Thank you.